Hi, welcome to this SyncEzy video covering off the management of jobs and cost centers within Simpro and QuickBooks Time. As part of creating a job within Simpro, you'll create the cost centers, which will sit either within different sections or within the same section. And later on during the job, you've got the ability to also add variations. When the job is created, these will automatically sync across to QuickBooks Time, but if you'd like to push them across quicker than the sync would allow, from the settings page of the job, you're able to go to the status, scroll down here, and you'll see a status option, which is job update cost centers in TSheets. And I've also seen that say QBW for QuickBooks Workforce. So you've got the ability to go through and push those through to QuickBooks. You've also got the ability here to archive a job in TSheets so that if this job isn't needed within QuickBooks, so that you can, so that the staff don't need to be adding time to it, you can archive this so it won't appear. And if you ever need to then re-add it at a later stage so they do have access, you can also use this unarchive job in TSheets, and that will then pull it back in into QuickBooks and have it available for them. If we have a look at the integration portal, you'll also see that there's the ability to do various actions here. So this first option here is import new jobs, which basically imports all newly created jobs from Simpro into QuickBooks Workforce. So if you are creating lots of jobs, you can then bring them in straight away. If there's a particular job you need to update, particularly if you've gone in and changed the name of it, you can then put in here the code. And once the job's been selected, you can then click on this update job quote, and that will go through and push through all of the most recent information here into QuickBooks Workforce. You'll also notice down here in this section, you've got the ability to archive jobs from QuickBooks Workforce and unarchive. So this is the same as the functionality that's available via the status option, just via the portal instead. You can also see up here, it says multi-select job quotes to assign or unassign to all employee users in QuickBooks Workforce. So within QuickBooks, you've got the ability to determine which jobs are visible to which person. This just gives you a quick way to select which jobs you want assigned to all staff and any jobs you want to remove from all staff. The default is that when a job is added, it'll be added to everything. So if we go into QuickBooks, you can go in here and have a look at the jobs. You can see here it says assign to all. And if I edit this, I can go through and unclick this. So it was assigned to all team members, which is the default. And I can edit this and choose which group I want to assign this particular job to. When adding time in QuickBooks, the employee will be required to select a job code. And they can drill down and access the one that they're relevant for. If they fail to do that, it will just bounce back up to the highest level job code for that job. So hopefully this short video has given you a good overview of how the jobs and the cost centers come across and how you can push them across if needed, and also how you can control which ones are shown to your QuickBooks Workforce staff and which ones you can hide if you wish. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and the best way to do that is via the 24/5 support chat, either via the portal or via our website. Simply put your details in there and we'll be able to address your query as soon as possible. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.